Okay, so I'm going to show you what technology told me that you should do. I'm going to do it, log it into my login. He said that it would look the same for you as well. So I'm in the district page. I'm going to click user option, sign in. Then I'm going to write my login, username, and then my password, sign in. And then when you've signed in, you're gonna, in mine, I see staff, you probably will see student. And I'm gonna go to logins. Then I'm gonna find the Office 365. It's still loading. And I'm gonna click on Word. And that is how you'll be able to use your Word documents. He said that students no longer have, like, I could see in your screenshot, you have Word down here. So if you access it like that, you won't be able to. You have to be doing it through your student portal. I hope it helps and that it looks the same as it did for me. If it doesn't, let me know and I'll try to get some more help.